We are live.
If you're not
On our way to the crawl.
you're missing out. We are on our way to the crawl. To head out there. We got a campsite set up. Here everybody out. There's garage right there. Got Barry on the other side. Got James in the RV over there. Where's the RV? Yeah. Anyway, that's what we doing, y'all. About to go have coffee and breakfast at Donner. Go support the Crawl for Hope. Right, bro?
That's right.
Ready for some?
Have a great day with great people.
Yep. I would say. So if you're not here,
You're missing out.
better get here. See you at Donner. Scalers, we are live. We are here at the Crawl for Hope. Wanted to give a shout out to Robbie for putting this event together because it is pretty sick out here. If you're not out here, if you didn't get registered online, it's okay. You can register here because you know why? It's friggin' free. Get out here. No excuses. Right, babe?
Nope.
No excuses. It's free. Everybody's here. Bunch of family, bunch of kids, bunch of people, bunch of crawl fanatics. Look at this. The parking lot is filled, Black Sheep Scalers. Where you at? Road Squad here. Checking in. You know, we've been here for a minute. We just kind of been hanging out and catching up with people, meeting everybody. Parking lot across the street is filled. Zoom in, it's filled. We turn around this way, it's filled. Filled, I tell ya. Filled with people. Restaurant is open right now. We had some breakfast burritos, breakfast sandwiches. We had some coffee. The bartender threw a little bit of something in our coffee, you know. It's awesome. Oh, snaps. Road Squad.
Road Squad in the house.
Yeah. We ready. So, if you're not here, you're definitely missing out. If you're talking about, I didn't register, it's okay. Registration is still open and it's free. That's the cost to come and hang out with Road Squad, Black Sheep Scalers. What's up? Road Squad. Give a hug, yo. Good, how are you?
Oh, good.
to see y'all. Hell yeah. Come on out. You guys missing out if you ain't here, right? You know these people. Fam bam in the house, yeah.
Yeah, fella.
We got the brothers here. Yeah, that's right. If you're not here yet, you definitely missing out. You guys. So registration. Did I not say again? Registration is what? Free. Free, right? He said yep. Got the man here. Yeah. What's up, guys? Heck yeah. Look. The winner, you won today, right? In Show and Shine? No. Oh wait, you were judging. She was judged. It was hard judging, wasn't it? Pretty hard. There was a lot of drivers there. Look at this.
Jackson won.
Jackson won. That's right. Look at all these people.
We brought all the girly stuff here, all of it.
Look at that. All the girly stuff, right? If you're not into cars, it's okay. We got stuff for you too. Look at all this stuff.
Just come on down.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Right? Tell them, girl. Tell them. Yes.
Just come on down.
Just-
Everything we made it. All of this we made it.
Talented. Look, made all of this. Amazing. Do you want to tell us the name of the business?
Oh, it's called the Shabby Collective.
Okay. These are so amazing. Thanks for coming out. Heck yeah. There he is.
Hi.
Hey.
Well, I like this.
His nephew won today. Jackson won today. So, hey, shout out. Yeah.
On one I already have.
Kitchen bodies in the house.
Pretty much decided on doing something similar like that. Yeah.
Oh, you guys look. Team bitchin'.
The biggest one he's got.
She didn't know. Here you go.
That thing crawls like.
Look at that.
The thing is, yeah.
Look at that.
So same thing.
Look at this.
I'm thinking of putting a great bigger body, which is
For my
basically
bug
like
bus lovers.
Yeah.
But it's a monster truck body, but on a tin scale.
Here we go. Pitbull in the house. Pitbull in the house, y'all. Look. This is bigger than I thought it was going to be. Here we go. The man himself. Yes, got a trophy today. Yeah.
Did good.
Yeah, congratulations, sir. Heck yeah.
Yeah, I figured I'll do that.
Anyway, you guys, registration. If you didn't register, come on in. Come on, you guys. If you're in here, you know what the drill is. You missing out. We here. We made it up here, huh, bro? But guys,
here with everybody, look how
yeah,
many people.
we're not the only ones that made it up here.
It's amazing right here. Look.
Look at that.
Boom.
About to go crawling. We got Chachi right there. We got Adam. We got the Tippets back there. We got RC Curtis Garage in front of me. And everybody else. If you ain't here, get out here. Bye, guys.
Yo, 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 we are live. It's your boy, and I'm at the... Yeah. We're at the top. Squad's down there. And that's the top, but I'm on the top. You know what I'm saying? Look at that view, y'all.